Hola amigos, welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer, and today I've got this Pioneer 6-disc cartridge style CD player to show you. The model number of it is PD-M403. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Do you know what SACDs are? The acronym stands for Super Audio Compact Disc, and what they do is they provide a surround sound experience by allowing 5.1 channel audio output. So as long as you have a surround system, you can utilize those. But let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have your line output for audio, and then right here you have your control in and out for connecting to a sound system and controlling it from there. And this particular one was manufactured in September of 1994. To connect it, all you have to do is connect your audio cables by matching up the colors and then connect your power cord. You can connect this to just about any system or speaker, but I would recommend using an amplifier along with speakers similar to what you see here. But once you have it connected, you can go ahead and insert your cartridge. To load up the CDs into the cartridge, you would just open it like this and then stick your CD in there. You can fit 6 in a cartridge. And on the front panel of the device, you have your power button right here, eject, repeat. If you want to set it to repeat one disc or all discs, it'll play endlessly. Then you have program play for queuing up some songs. And then you have your disc button if you want to change the disc. And then right here is your track and search button. That way you can select a certain track. And then you can also search through a song. If you hold the button down, you can quickly scan through it. And then right here you have random. If you push that, it will randomly select a disc and then randomly select a song. And then right here you have highlight scan. And it features pulse flow DA converter. And something else that's nice about it is it doesn't feature a remote sensor, so you don't need a remote to access all the features on it, and it doesn't have the sensor, so even if you wanted to, you can't use a remote with it. The only way you can is by connecting to a sound system. That's pretty much all there is for this Pioneer 6-disc cartridge CD player. It's really convenient. You can have a couple extra cartridges handy and load your favorite CDs into them and organize them however you want by genre or artist. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check out our online store.